So students, today we will study about the hexadecimal number system. Okay, hexadecimal number system means 16 digit number system. Okay, 16 digit number system. How 16 digit? Just see, hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. So hexadecimal 16 digit. Okay, 16 digit number system. So what is this hexadecimal number system? Hexadecimal number system use 16 digit including letters of alphabet also. Okay, 6 letters of the alphabet also. So hexadecimal number system use 16 digits including 6 letters of alphabet. Okay, so what are the symbol which we are using in this hexadecimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, because after 9 what we will use? We start using the alphabets. Okay, so just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 alphabets. So 10 and 6, 16 digit number system. Okay, so why we are using this hexadecimal number system in a computer? Why? Okay, the reason is that it represents the binary value in a more compact and the readable form. Okay, it is easy for processing the data because it represents the binary value in a compact form and readable form. So that's why. Okay, the second reason is conversion between the binary and hexadecimal number system is efficient. If we want to convert the hexadecimal number in a decimal number or in a binary number, it is easy to convert. That's why. Why? Because a reason I'm just telling you, because binary number means 0 and 1. Okay, and with the help of the 8 binary numbers, that is 0, 1, so 8 that numbers becomes the bits. Okay, that we call it as the smallest unit of the measurement of the memory, that is bit. Okay, so 8 bit is equal to 1 byte and 8 means 1 byte. So in a 2 bytes only we can calculate the 16 digit. Okay, so that's why it is easy. So yes, we are on the conversion between the binary and hexadecimal number system is efficient. Okay, that's why we are using the hexadecimal number for the computer. These are the primary reasons. These two reasons are the primary reason we are using the hexadecimal number in computer. Now, how we can convert the hexadecimal number system in a 10 digit number, means that is decimal number system. Okay, suppose I have taken the example 4AB. Okay, you can take any number as per your choice. Just see how we can convert it. Okay, now suppose 4AB base is 16, now 16 digit number it is. So how we solve it? We just multiply with the base number and give the power. Okay, 4 multiply with the 16, A multiply with the 16, B multiply with the 16. These 16s, 1, 16, this 16, this 16 are the base number. Okay, and you give the power 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so 0, 1 and 2. These are the powers. So what is the value we got? 4 multiplied by 16, 2 raised to power 2. A multiply with the 16 raised to power 1. B multiply with the 16 raised to power 0. Now we simply solve it. 4 multiply 16 multiply with 16, 256. A multiply with the 16 and B multiply with the 1. Now when we solve it, 4 multiply with the 256. A, instead of A what we will write? 10. Why? Because this one. After 9 the place will be 10. So we write it here 10. B 11. 11th place. So 11. Okay. That's why. If it will be the C, then 12. D 13. E 14. F B 11. Then C 12. 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, in this way. So we write it as a 10. A is a 10. So 160 and the 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So 10 into 16, 11 into 1. So 4 into 256. So 4 into 256 is 1024. 10 multiply with the 16 or A multiply with the 16 is 160. Then 11 multiply with the 1 or B multiply with the 1 is 11. Okay. So now we solve it. So when we are adding it, it is 1000. Okay, 1195. So we written is 1195 in bracket and then base is 10. So what is the meaning of this conversion? This conversion meaning we know the value that 4AB16 is equal to 1195 decimal number. Okay, if we are writing 4AB then, or we are writing 1195 then also, both are having the same value.